Here we are at MCN London Motorcycle Show, where Suzuki have brought up their 7 World Championship winning bikes, and we've highlighted the Barry Sheene bike that I'm standing in front of now, which is the XR14, which Barry won the championship in 1976. We also have Barry's RG500 from 1977, which is called the XR14A. And what you're going to see later on in this video is the startup. We actually started this bike up. For us to be able to do that, we had to refurbish these bikes back in 2016. And to do that was quite an event. We actually used Barry's ex-chief technician, a chap called Martin Ogborn, and another engineer called Nigel Everett. Now, we took the bikes down to their workshop and they split them, and this particular bike in front of me has magnesium cases. Now, the sad thing is with magnesium, it doesn't like water, and there was water and oil inside the engine. So when we separated the cylinders and it left the crankcases, there was a very big hole in the middle where it should be 4 separate holes for the cranks. It was 1 big hole. However, Martin and Nigel said, "Oh, that's not a problem. We got some guys at Exact Weld in East Grinstead that can repair these cases." I was a bit sceptical, I must admit, but lo and behold, they did it. It took quite a lot of time, because obviously when you're welding up these cases, the problem is it can get very hot, and once magnesium gets very hot, it will distort, and once that happens, then they're gone. So obviously, fingers crossed, we got them back, everything was fine, we put it back together, and literally first start on the button, no problem at all. It's absolutely fantastic. And I say we get these bikes at shows like this, do a startup. We also take them to parades. We had Freddie, which is Barry's son, ride the bike up at Goodwood last year in 2021. This one, and he also rode the XR14A as well. So yeah, fantastic to see these bikes started and being paraded. I mean, it really is part of our heritage and part of our skills, so it's fantastic.
Hey!